In this video, we uncover a mystery. For a long time, dirt has moved towards the corner of the plot, most likely by wind, covering a part of the stone path. In this episode, we see what's underneath the dirt and show you. The first thing we found was a hole where a palm tree once stood. Anyone who has experience with putting out droves of weeds, you know that this is a lot of work. And here's our work in progress. Soon, we started to see the old natural Rodeno stones that have been covered for decades. The idea is to align the dirt with large stones, making it more difficult for the dirt to move down towards the corner. We hope you liked this episode on the Spanish Revival. Follow along as we renovate this Spanish 7-bedroom home, one episode at a time. Hasta luego.